Hi, my name is David P Shapiro. I'm a San Diego-based criminal defense attorney, and I'm also of David P Shapiro, located in San Diego, California, where my firm helps good people regain control of their future when charged with a crime. In this video, I want to talk to you about why attorneys, particularly some criminal defense attorneys, have such a big ego, and why that's really something you probably should be on the lookout for and probably should be running away from if you're considering hiring that attorney or that law firm to represent you or a loved one in your criminal defense case. And the reason for that is this, right? A lot of attorneys make it all about them. Their marketing is about them. 30, 40 years ago, what their, what level their GPA was 30, 40, 20, 15, 20, whatever years ago. And they talk about what they could do. I do this. I'm so great. I won this award. I paid $500 and I got this award that I could put on my website. All this type of marketing, right? But they say nothing about their team. They say nothing about the people who may in fact be representing you. They say nothing in fact about the people who will be interacting with you from the first phone call. Right? And well, why is that? Well, either way, it's concerning, right? One is they don't appreciate or value the team that they have because they're so consumed with themselves, right? And they want to hide their team from the public, from their potential clients. That's concerning from the attorneys, from the lead attorney's perspective. It also could be concerning of, well, is there a lot of turnover at this firm? Do they? It's also something that, sometimes these law firms make themselves, or these solo practitioners make themselves out to be this big, law firm, and they have all these pictures on their website of people that don't exist or certainly don't work for them, huddled around, talking about a case, who knows what it's about. And when you call the law firm, they're the ones answering the phone. They're the one doing their own copies. They're the one filing discovery motions. They're the one going to the DA's office, to spend 2.5 hours to pick up discovery. They're the ones doing all these things, and they market themselves as a firm, and they market themselves as a group or as a team when it's a firm. Right? So another factor you want to look at is, do the people at this law firm actually exist, or is it all fluff? Well, how do you do that, right? Well, you do your research, right? Is there a bio page? Go to the About Us section. Or is it about the team, right? Admittedly, one of the biggest mistakes or one of the biggest regrets that I have about starting my firm in 2010 after working at a criminal defense firm for a couple of years when I first became an attorney in 2007 was making David P Shapiro, law office up. Well, how is that different? I got a name, last name Shapiro resonates in criminal defense because of Robert Shapiro in Los Angeles with the O.J. Simpson trial, and Shapiro is a lawyer name, I guess a lot of people think, and for all those reasons, it's done well, and I hope I live. But, again, it's not really about me as the owner of the firm or as the managing partner of the firm, because I could tell you that my firm has the success that it has in representing people as well as it's been able to represent people here in San Diego for as long as it has. Well, yeah, this puzzle here. You look at the attorneys that are here in addition to me. You look at the support staff that is here in addition to me. And that's what makes this firm a success. And more importantly, that's what makes this firm a success for its clients. That's what makes this firm have the reputation that it has with support staff, with judges in the community. That's what makes this firm resonate when we want to get involved in helping good people regain control of their future when charged with a crime. And that's what helps this firm be able to have access to a lot of great local community organizations that we're so happy to support and be a part of, far beyond criminal defense, far beyond social services here in San Diego. So keep that in mind when looking at a firm, when looking at an attorney. What's the marketing? Is it me, 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 me? And are you going to get them, or are you going to get people that you don't know? Or are you going to be dealing with an egomaniac who thinks that they're better than what they are and is all background, lack of serious cases or cases that you're handling or that you're facing yourself? Hope this video has been helpful. If nothing else, hopefully it'll get you away from a bad choice. Hopefully it'll steer you towards a good choice, whether it's my firm or someone else here in San Diego. feel free to give our firm a call, 619-295-3555. Office is David P Shapiro in San Diego, California, 619-295-3555.